I think this is a song of hope. There's a lady who's sure all that glitters is gold, and she's buying a stairway to heaven. And when she gets there, she knows if the stores are all closed, with a word she can get what she came for. She's buying a stairway to heaven. There's a sign on the wall, but she wants to be sure, 'cause you know sometimes words have two meanings. In a tree by the brook, there's a songbird who sings. Sometimes all of our thoughts are misgiven, and I think you can see that. And it makes me wonder. She does. Oh, 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 yes, sir. There's a feeling I get when I look to the west, and my spirit is crying for leaving. In my thoughts I have seen rings of smoke through the trees, and the voices of those who stand looking. And it's whispered that soon, if we all call it true, then the Piper will lead us to reason, and a new day will dawn for those who stand long, and the forests will echo with laughter. If there's a bustle in your head show, don't be alarmed. It's just a spring clean for the making. Yes, there are two paths you can go by, but in the long run, and there's still time to change the road you're on. Your head is humming and it won't go if you don't know. The piper is calling you to join him. Dear lady, can you hear the wind blow? And you know your stairway lies on the whisper wind. to heaven.